Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be making some taco bowls using Impossible Burger. You want to add some oil, just a little bit in the pan. Let it get nice and hot. Now you want to add your ground Impossible Burger. You want to brown it up. You're going to use a little bit of seasoning. You're going to use that chili lime seasoning. So that tastes real good and have all the ingredients that you should put on a taco. And we're going to use some cumin. That's the cumin. And then we're going to add the chili lime. And let that brown nicely. Now we're going to work on our taco bowls, because that's a process. You want to lightly spray your pot, like a deep dish pot. You want to get a soft tortilla and put it in a deep pot, as so. You want to put it inside, like this. You want to form a bowl, as so, and put it in the oven. We're going to make some super grains to go inside the bowls. Cook your super grains as directed on the package. You just want to add salt, pepper, olive oil, cilantro, and black beans. Season to taste. Our ground Impossible Burger is almost done. Now it's done. We're about to put it inside our bowls. You want to cook until it's brown. Turn them over and let it cool off before you fill. You want to flip them over. This is a double one right there. You want to fill it with your Impossible ground burger. You want to fill it with your super grains mixture. Now we're going to top it off with the cheese. And you can use your favorite toppings. We're just going to add a little bit of lettuce and tomatoes to top it off. Gotta have your veggies. Now that just looked beautiful. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and subscribe. I thank you in advance. And remember, health is wealth, and we must take care of ourselves.